Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video in which I'm going to show you how to make a pretty small telescope this big, but it's going to be pretty powerful. Probably look at the moon, but I'm not sure. I have to make it first, but I know it's going to be this big and powerful. My name is Mustafa and welcome to Ideas Castle. Okay guys, so for this you will need a tube of some sort, small or big. It can be like made of anything. It's a cardboard tube, thingy. It's not toilet paper, just on a toilet paper roll thingy. Yeah, it's just something that I had. Something like this is like the magnifying glass thing that I'm gonna be using. It basically magnifies everything. And they're probably wondering why not just like put it like this and look like just look at the moon and stars. So the reason I'm not doing that and I feel like you should do this because like it's like pretty close to your eye and when you're doing this, like, cause that's where we're gonna put it in. It's basically this is a telescope, and so like it like kind of like takes like the view I'm not sure how to explain it, but yeah, it's just that like it would make the view better. And you also need a glue gun with an extra glue stick, so you don't run out. We're not using too much glue, and I at the end like you need like some transparent thing. You can put tape, but it can kind of get messy like with all the sticky stuff on it. So like maybe empty bottle, an empty transparent bottle. Just like cut it, put it in there. I'm just gonna do that too after we do this first step. So yeah. Okay, so once you're glue gun on, we're just gonna take this thing. You can have like a smaller one, and we're gonna put it in there. But first by adding some glue there, and then we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna let it dry like in 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put some glue around there, like to make it like to hold it on there. And so yeah, I'm just gonna do that in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so as you can see, I got that glued on. That was fast now, wasn't it? Now I have to do stuff quick. I'm not like a person who likes detail. I just want to get the thing done. Okay, so I also have this thing. It's from an old plastic bottle, and I'm just gonna put this in the front like that. You can like not like you can skip this step and just like put it like that. Just color this thing, or spray paint it. But I think I should. And also, if you are putting this thing on, then you should clean it first from the back and from the front. So, like when you look through it, you look like it can like be clear, like the view can be clear. So, I'm just gonna glue that on. So just put some glue there, and this goes on like that, and it's basically done. So now the edges, like the extra part, you can cut that off with scissors. I have some right here, so I'm gonna cut the stuff off. And yeah, so yeah, we're basically done. We just have to put some extra glue there to secure the thing. But let's go back. Okay guys, so this here is a complete telescope, mini telescope thingy. And now like it does look small, but it's pretty powerful if you like using something like this. And so like this telescope can like you can make this like pretty like in 5 minutes. I don't know how long this video is because I have to like edit it and stuff, but like I feel like it just took me 3 minutes to make this whole thing. And like if you don't want a telescope, you don't want to buy it, or since because of this pandemic you can buy one, then you can just like get some of this stuff and like from your house and make it. And if you don't have this, you have like a bigger magnifying glass. That's okay. You can just like make a bigger like use a bigger tube and put that in there and make like a small hole for it to look through. It should work. If it doesn't, then I feel like you should put 2 lenses. But we're trying to make this as cheap as possible. So yeah, and you can also like if you're making it out of like cardboard, then you can like color the whole thing. I'm probably gonna color this white because it just looks good with the black. So yeah, and it would be really helpful if you subscribe, like make that red subscribe button gray and hit the bell. for notifications, like when I make more of this stuff, you can know. And like if you like this video and this video is helpful for you, then it would really be helpful if you like make that gray like button into a blue like button. So like we're just changing colors here, changing colors of everything. So yeah, and visit my look at my other videos and visit my website once it's done. It's not out yet, but it's gonna be called www.ideascastle.com. I'm just about to finish it, so yeah, stay tuned for that too. So yeah, bye.